Well, it's easy to make the new ifs because we already written them a lot of times. The easier one is if enemy x is smaller than 0, for example. This was not the best way to do it. Let's change enemy x to 800. Of course, you can fix this if to be even better, you know how. And if this is the bigger if, because we are going to check about a collision. If are colliding, and now we need 8 numbers, we can copy them from the few rects. So we are going to check for a collision between those 4 numbers representing the player and those 4 numbers representing the enemy. If there is such a collision, let's reduce lives left. Lives left should be lives left -1. This is also a good place to teleport the enemy back right, because if we don't do it here, you will see how many times there is actually such a collision. So, well, this is kind of sad because it was hard for me to collide with the enemy. This is my chance now. And apparently I didn't lost 1 life, I lost 7 lives. This time I lost even more lives. So we definitely want to take just 1 life for each collision and then immediately remove the enemy from there. This might solve the problem. Let's see. I just have to hit the enemy, which is not really easy in my stupid game. Perhaps now? Yay! Have you seen this? The enemy is not teleporting back outside of the playing field. There is some really strange bug happening. What could possibly be happening now? Everything is fine when the enemy is resurrected to the right because he was too much to the left, but when he hits the player, it looks like it's kind of stuck to the player. Well, the enemy is really booming with the player and he is really moved. But we should see where he is going. I've missed one of the zeros here. The enemy should be going outside of the playing field on x800. Perhaps this time I will be able to see this going fine, and my lives are 4, 3. This time I didn't lose a life. 2 now. 1, 0. This is one way to show how much lives do I have left, but it is a really horrible way. None of the players like to open such a developer's console, so I want you to make another way to show the lives remaining. I want you to draw a new rectangle that is going to act as a health bar. You can open a lot of classic games and you can see what a health bar is. For example, in a game such as Mortal Kombat, you can see during the fight how with each hit the health bars of the players are reducing. So I want you to make just a health bar like this one. Come on.